Hello friends, these are the books issued by the ICSI for the CS Executive, Module 1st and Module 2nd. There are total 8 subjects, 8 papers. I received my books within 15 days after registration. Now we will see the syllabus covered by all the papers. These are the module for subjects. Now this is module 2nd. 4 papers are from module 1st and 4 papers are from module 2nd. In module 2nd there are 4 papers, 2 objective, 2 subjective. Do subscribe the channel if you like the video and share it with your friends.